Décision Plus est au service des investisseurs boursiers depuis 1987, au tout début de l'autonomie boursière. Notre logiciel de graphique Market Vision Plus et notre logiciel de code dynamique Trader Plus en ont fait sa renommée. Nous sommes encore ici parce que nous évoluons sans cesse et que nous servons bien nos clients. Découvrez nos produits et services spécialement conçus pour l'investisseur actif et autonome dans la boutique Décision Plus. Le logiciel de graphique Market Vision Plus est en français. C'est le logiciel de
Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center.
Celui-là, tiens. Pas ça, non, pas webcam. OK. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, May 29, 2019. The market is going down this morning because yesterday Donald Trump said they were not near a deal with China. And also China said something this morning as are threatening the United States about the rare earth. And he says, don't tell that we haven't warned you, because he said that if they are not collaborating, they could use our rare earth to put some pressure in the United States, because China is the largest, from very far, largest producer of rare earth, and rare earth metals are used in all electronic devices. So they're threatening each other like this. So the market has really gone down today. A lot of stuff is going down. We almost have no stock in uptrend in the States, not many anyway. We had a couple of stock that produced quite a bit this morning in day trading anyway. We'll show it to you. Right here, so I got one right there. The stock has produced so much since this morning. The stock was at 250 at the beginning. It's 750 right now. There has been so many bullish cycle on the stock. It was very easy to make money in day trading with that stock. And also OBLN that has produced quite a bit today. That was a kind of a two exceptions. On the market, a couple of others, but mostly bearish ETF has produced some gain today. And about the news today, we have Dick's Sporting Goods that's now heading down with a earning from 56 to 62. Abercrombie 43, minus 43 to minus 56, and that's the reason of the drop. Canada Goose also is very severely going down, 27.47%. And on a good earnings from plus 5 to plus 9 cents, except that they said that the forecast for the fourth quarter were not going to be good. And besides of that, Bank of Montreal 230 to 233, but the whole sector is in correction right now. And the crude oil is going down despite the fact that Prime Minister of Russia said the government and many producers are going to reduce their production again, but still the crude oil is going down. And Boeing said they will probably resume flying in August, and Amarin is a good result, which is something on cardio stuff. Anyway, it's an acceptation from the FDA. And Xiopharm Oncology said they are making a deal with National Cancer Institute for exclusive right of development and commercialization on cellular therapies for cancer. And Canadian Natural Resources is buying the Canadian asset of Devon, and Devon said now they want to become an exclusively American company, so they are quitting the Canada. So we say them goodbye. And also NFI is still coming down today after yesterday Faust breakout. And they are buying a Britain bus constructor for £320 million. So, look, the market resumed a little bit, but they are just at the crossing right now on reversing this morning downtrend, but it is not done yet. As you can see here, it's just at the crossing of the resistance. So so we need this extra push that is not coming. So there is a strong possibility that the market goes back to the bottom of the day a little bit later. And on the TSX, despite the downward movement of USO, the stock started down this morning and are pulling back. The gold is going up, but the gold stock does not really cooperate so far. It's not that we don't find any buy signal yet in the sector. Consumer discretionary, staples, financials, industrials, healthcare, utilities, telecom, and technology are all under correction. Many sectors now turned out to be negative. So so far on the energy, it's negative for USO, but on the stock, it's still in neutral phase. On the gold is up slightly, not reversing, is downtrend, and the stock neither does, neither are doing. Look, it's going to start here at 184.50. The mining is still going down. Forget about that. Consumer discretionary, the whole sector is breaking down. There are many sell signals in the sector. Telecom are quiet. Financials are heading down towards the 295 support. Industrials are under correction, breaking through their first support. Real estate and utilities now are both in correction. Healthcare is breaking down through a very long support. Consumer staple is beginning a correction also. So end of the bullish cycle for this sector, and the technology is also under correction. So there's no favorable sector at the moment at all. And look at the cannabis. It goes very bad on the cannabis today. See weeds that went up yesterday on someone else's news. Finally head down before the end of the day, broke down this morning and kept going down with very little rebound since the market started this morning. And so we have many negative signals in the cannabis there. First of all, HMMG breaking its short-term support, and all three ETF are doing it. The only stock that are going up today is Alcanna, CLEQ, CLEQ. Time to take a profit there, and weed, which is pulling back, but it's not a buy signal at all. But most of the other stock are doing really, really bad. New breakdown for Tilray, almost a breakdown for Village Farm, breakdown for Canopy, breakdown for Chronos, Green Organic, Aurora, Supreme, Nvidia, Pure Gold, and Canopy reverse, and the others are not breaking down, but they're heading down towards their support, as Organigram, CanTrust heading towards its triple support, and it's the story everywhere, so the situation is very negative in the cannabis. So it doesn't leave a lot to trade. So, and even the markets are breaking down. See, NASDAQ market is breaking down, heading to the next support, 170. The Dow Jones is breaking down, heading towards next support is there. So the next is 24,300. The SPY is also heading towards the 272.50, and the TSX has no more room unless it would break the double support and enter in a bear market and a downtrend actually there. So that's all we got on that market today. It's very negative. So avoid mining, avoid gold, avoid the energy stocks, sorry, and avoid the cannabis especially. So I have no questions coming from you. So that's going to be it for today. There's not much to say. Just be patient some more. So thank you very much for attending.